I'm back here on the skydeck. I already took my tour. It was a fun tour. We got to see inside this building, which was really cool. Like I could see them building the 777Xs. There was a FedEx one. There was a few Emirates ones. There was 2 Lufthansas. And then on the other side, oh yeah, a week ago they said that they were gonna start building the 737s here too. So yeah, I saw them. I saw the 2 737s already here. If we look over here, KC-46, UPS, 777, a UPS that's not fully painted. Another 777, WestJet, Lufthansa, WestJet. A lot of planes, I'll tell you that. And of course, more 777Xs here, which is pretty cool. See how many other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Eight. There's already 8 of them here. So cool.